Hello my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and today I'm gonna start a brand new series for my YouTube channel, and I have been thinking to start this new series from a very long time, like since for last year, but I was waiting for 2021 January so that I can start this new series from the beginning of this year itself. So I was waiting and finally we are sitting in the month of February, and I am going to share my January favorites, and this video will include products from different categories like beauty and skincare. Basically today we have, but in long term you will see more categories as well, like jewelry, fashion and everything. But now I would like to clear that I will not be able to create different favorite videos for like different categories. So I will be including all my favorite from different categories in just one video of each month, and then I will be showing you what I like and why I like those products, and so that you can make your decision if you want to give them a go. And I know it's been quite a long time since I uploaded my last video of Valentine's Day makeup series, since I have to attend a few family functions and weddings, so that is why I was not able to record videos and put them live. And so finally I'm today here. I think that this goes live very soon because I have to edit it after shooting this. I think it's been quite a long intro, and now with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So guys, our first product is gonna be a hair product, and I am very particular about my hair products because I have very thin, damaged, and there is no volume in my hair. I have a greasy scalp, and I have like so many hair problems and skin problems. So this is the Mom's Coke natural hair oil, and this is the oil that is from the kids range, from the babies range. But I got this for my niece, but I tried using this and I could see the difference in my hair fall very clearly. And I was steaming this with the Mom's Coke baby natural baby shampoo itself, but right now I'm gonna talk about this one. And this is a very beautiful oil. It has like 10 different herbs, and there a few are written over here so that I can read. It has argan oil, it has bhringraj, amla, avocado and marula oil as well. And this is like something that I have been trying for a very long time now, and I can swear by this for sure, and I love this. Having said that, this is a oil for babies, but I think everyone can use this, and since it is for babies, it is much more mild or milder than any oil out there in the market. So that is why I like to use it, and I can definitely say that this is a very beautiful oil. It has a very nice kind of a fragrance which is not too loud. This is very subtle fragrance, and I have a problem with fragrance. It can, in my skincare or makeup product, the fragrance shouldn't be very loud or strong. And this is 100% organic, and this is cruelty free, and this is also Australia allergy certified, and toxic free, silicone free, mineral oil free, sulfate free, paraben free, free from harmful chemicals. And it says that once you have opened the bottle, you have to finish it within 6 months. And that is why I started using this particular oil, because my niece has very small tiny hair. Her hair growth is not that great, but after using this we could see the difference, like little bit difference. So that is why I also give this a go, and also I had to finish this bottle within 6 months. So that is why I was also trying this, and I was asking my entire family to use this oil only. And I can see that this is a nice hair oil to try, and if you want to give this a go, definitely give this a go. Once we have oiled our hair, we have to shampoo it as well. So to shampoo my hair, I'm using this Mom's Coke baby natural shampoo, and this is a tear free and soap free formula for kids. And again, this is a very nice shampoo. I got this for my niece only, and that because we have to finish this within 6 months of opening the bottle, that is why I started to use this. And since I was using the oil, so I thought that this could be a nice combo together. So I was using it, and then in the morning I was using this to wash my hair. This is a sulfate free formula again, so for oily skin or oily scalp people, this is not the perfect shampoo out there in the market, but I have extremely oily scalp. To be very honest, I do not have any kind of problem using this. I agree to the point that I have to use a lot more amount than I use with like any sulfate shampoo, but it's not harming, but and it's giving me some benefit. That is why I'm okay using the extra amount and getting the benefit out of that. So that is why I am enjoying using this, and it's been a quite a time that I've been using this particular bottle, and this is an empty. It has nothing in it. It has my face wash in it, but I emptied this I think 2-3 washes ago, and then once I emptied this and I was using other shampoo, I could see a lot of my hair going off from my scalp, and I was like literally crying, like what is happening. I should have ordered the other bottle already, so that there is no gap in between, and I have ordered another bottle, and that is not for the babies actually, but that is again a very nice formula, but that is for moms, and let's see how that is going to work. And again, this is a very nice bottle. This is a very nice shampoo for people who have different problems, and since it is a sulfate free formula, this is not going to give you any kind of harm at all. And but make sure that you do your past tests and don't kill me if anything happens to you. Next up, I have a nail paint remover, and this is from Colorbar. This is their acetone free nail enamel remover with protein and vitamin B5. This is 110 ml, and this is for 125, but I think got this on discount from Amazon. This is a very nice nail paint remover, and as you can see, I have already used a lot, but honestly, you just have to take it just a little bit amount on your cotton pad or on your cotton ball, and that will be enough for both your hands and feet as well, and you don't have to use a lot of it. And I have been using this from like last 2 months, and you can see it has a lot. I haven't used much of it. That is why, so once you use it, I think you don't have to use it a lot. And I remove my nail paints very often. I removed like yesterday itself, and I use this only. And once you use it, you don't have to give a lot of effort to remove your nail paint, no matter how good nail paint you are using. It just takes off your nail paint very easily, and I think this is a really nice formula from the Colorbar. It has vitamin B5. That's also a good point, and I don't think that I have anything much to say about this, but if you want to give this a go, I think this is going to be a very nice nail paint remover. The next up I have is this Dega Rose Water Facial Toner, and again this is 100 ml, and this is a very beautiful toner. This is a rose water, and I really like using rose water. Actually, I love using rose waters, and I have like different rose water at this point of time, like from different brands. And also this is a very nice brand, which is a sustainable brand. Dega is a very sustainable brand, and also they do not use any kind of harmful chemical. It's a cruelty free and a vegan brand. And again, you have to finish this I think within 6 months of using this. And whenever you yeah, so it has the expiry date of 6 months. It has expiry date of 6 months, and I really like this. Is a very nice, and it has a very nice rosy fragrance, which I definitely like. And I use this in multiple ways. I use this with a face pack which is from Dega itself, but I think I'm gonna talk about this in some time later. And I use it with the same face pack, and I use this as my toner and as my mist, and also as my makeup setting spray. Yes, I really enjoy using any rose water, but this is one of my favorites right now. The next thing that I have to show you is something that is going to be very, very, very beneficial for the people who have sensitive or acne prone skin. And the thing I'm talking about is this Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This is how the packaging looks like. Nothing very fancy, very nice and very minimalistic. Not neither classy, not fancy, not chic, nothing. This is a very nice basic packaging that you would get, but this is something if you have acne prone or sensitive skin, be it dry, normal, combination or oily. If you have sensitive or acne prone skin, just use this. It has no fragrance, and this could be the best ever moisturizer for oily and sensitive skin or acne prone skin. Basically is a very gel like formula. This is a cream, this is a lotion kind of a thing, but if you see, this is a very it's almost going to finish. So I have taken this much, and you see that it gets into the skin just in a matter of seconds, and you can see that, right? This is a very gel like formula. There is nothing on my hand, like a no creamy formula. Very nice, very lightweight and very beautiful formula that gives you a kind of a dewy finish, but it's a gel like formula. If you have combination or oily skin, I think this is going to be the perfect thing for you. But if you have dry skin, I think that you would need a little more generous amount than usual. But I definitely the Cetaphil definitely have a moisturizer for dry skin type people separately, so you can definitely skip onto this one and go for the other one. I will definitely leave the link of that one as well in the comment description box. So this is something that is also tested, not just tested, but also approved and suggested by dermats as well. So yes, you can definitely give this a go, and you are going to enjoy this for sure. Moving on, I have few more skincare products from the same brand, and this is the brand Bioderma. I have been using their micellar water, the makeup remover H2O, and that is the best the makeup remover out there in the market. Definitely it's expensive. It's extremely expensive, but I got that in my PR box, so I don't mind using that. I have that in my vanities till now, and I love using that. And recently I got these miniatures from Bioderma in barter collaboration itself. And guys, just because I got this in a collaboration, that doesn't mean I'm going to talk good things about this only, but this is something that actually great things. So I got 4 products from Bioderma in that PR. So it's the face wash, and I got 2 miniatures of this face wash, and it's a pore refiner. And this is I also got 2 units of this, but the miniature ones basically, and I used all of these. And since it was going to expire in February itself, so I just finished everything in January only, and I got 4 products, and these products are genuinely, like, trust me guys, genuinely amazing. Expensive but worth every single penny. So one by one I'm gonna review everything quickly, what I got in that PR package and what are the 4 products that I received. So firstly, I received this Bioderma Etoderm Intensive Gel whatever. It's a face wash basically, and it's a very nice face wash. I don't think I have. Oh, okay. I think it got expired. That is why it had become very watery. So anyway, so it was a gel-like formula basically. So this is the face wash that I was using, and then I also got 2 sunscreens, and one was with SPF of 30, and another was with SPF of 50. So I got 2 units of each, and again, those were one of the best sunscreens I have used so far in my life. Though both of were cream based formulas basically, but something that will not give you any kind of white cast or not make your skin feel very heavy. Definitely SPF has tendency to irritate your eyes, so whenever you apply any sunscreen on your face, make sure that you avoid that eye area or the under eye area. Again, those were one of the best sunscreens. The formula was creamy. The picture will be here or here. Now the fourth and the last product from Bioderma is CBM Pore Refiner, and again this is the best product, and this is something that is going to minimize your pores instantly. So I used to use this under my makeup after my sunscreen, and one of the best product. And if I'm using this, I don't have to use any kind of what do you call it, primer after using this. So I was using this under my makeup and I could see the difference. I could see that my pores have been minimized and blurred out instantly, and it has a matte finish basically. So now this was all about these four products from Bioderma. And again, I'm gonna say that just because I got this in a PR package, that doesn't mean that I'm going to talk only good thing about these products. I have returned products that are not worked with me. I have returned money if something is not worked for me. I don't think that you have to buy each and every product. Maybe you can buy a sunscreen and this thing, the face wash, and I think you are good to go. You don't need to invest in every single product that Bioderma is selling. But yeah, a few products like face wash is a must and sunscreen is a must, and maybe you can skip on to the sunscreen as well. But you can also get a moisturizer which is going to be perfect, which is also a main. So yes, you can maybe you can get a moisturizer if they have any, or this face wash for sure. And finally, the last product that I have in today's list is this My Glam lipstick, and this is 29CU46. 29CU46. Actually, this is a red lip shade that I am wearing right now. And first I have to open it so that I can give you the look of the lipstick. So this is how every little lipstick looks like, and this is a very beautiful formula, little drying on the face. By the way, if you want to get this for free, you can definitely check out the link in the bio. You will get it for free. You just have to complete one survey. I have explained the process in one of my videos, so I am going to link that right about here so that you can watch it later, here or here, whatever. So yes, you can get this for free after completing the survey, or you can get any shade, and you will get a few more things after completing this survey. So yes, and coming back to the lipstick, this is how the wand looks like. A very nice wand, very easy to apply. It is what do we call it, Gerua red actually, which is going to look perfect on each Indian skin tone, be it the deepest or the lighter. But I think this is going to be the perfect shade, red shade for every skin tone, and this is how it looks like. This is a very nice shade. I have used this, I have applied this so many times recently, so yeah, I love this. And with this, it's a wrap, guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. If you like me and my videos, my content, then please subscribe to my channel. Do also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. If you are enjoying my monthly favorites series, make sure that you do share it with your friends, family, and everyone whosoever need this. Comment below if you have anything to say or ask or to comment. Just comment it down, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.